When I heard I was going to be paired up with the team that's here, I was very, very happy because you just know, that there's a wealth of experience there.
There's another couple of things.
We are building what is essentially a conveyor hub building that is linked to a high bay warehouse on the existing site, and will link to a future high bay warehouse on the new site. But it starts to get complicated with the bridge going back to the existing island. So it's got that complexity, the high bay complexity, which is 40 metres high. It's really hard to get the men, plant and information all in the right place.
So you got these guys, so they're built in blocks and they're going shots. Each block is a shot. The total height of the high bay itself is 42 metres high. The largest scissor lift in the UK is 37 metres.
Mechanical access equipment doesn't go high enough, so they have to climb once they get to the limit of the mutes that they're using.
This is a very, very hand-selected team here. Climbing is their passion, it's their lives. They bring that passion into their workplace.
There's only competent people at Hegarty's. When I started with PJ Hegarty, there were 6 people, and there's now about 130.
I've been with the company as it's gone from kind of 12, 15 million turnover to 100 million turnover. It's down to the people that we've taken on all the way through.
If you need resolution to complicated, difficult jobs, PJ Hegarty is the place to come.